Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dani Rahman from the Islamic Educational Management class. Today I am honored to present a topic that by life is very crucial in today's educational world. The role philosophy in educational management and innovation. Education is not merely about delivering knowledge. It also about building character, values, and identity. But in this rapidly changing era, we often face a dilemma. How can we stay true to the noble values of education while adapting to modern demands? This presentation will explore how educational philosophy influences educational management, how it can encourage innovation, and what strategies and challenges we might face along the way. Part 1. The influence of philosophy on educational management. Let us begin with a simple question. Why does philosophy matter in educational management? Philosophy is like the moral compass that guides the entire educational process. It defines the goal of education, influence decision making, and shapes the behavior of educational leaders. First, philosophy determines the purpose of education. For instance, in Indonesia, the values of Pancasila serve as a philosophical foundation for all educational politics. Without a clear philosophical education foundation, education can become a tool of mere skill building, not character development. Second, philosophy forms the framework for critical and systematic thinking. Management is not only about planning and organizing, it's also about making wise decisions. Through philosophy, learn to think beyond efficiency, they weighing ethically. Third, philosophy instills ethics and moral values in leadership. Values such as honesty, justice, empathy, and accountability are not just good behavior, but foundational principles for managing educational institutions. Lastly, philosophy helps education remain adaptive and contextual. In the face of globalization and technological change, philosophy ensures that education stay human-centered, inclusive, and meaningful. Part 2. Philosophy as a driver of innovation. Now we move to the second part. How can philosophy encourage innovation in educational management? Innovation is not just about using technology or creating new programs. It's about transforming the way we think and life. Philosophy plays a powerful role in shaping innovation in several ways. 1. Philosophy offers both a material and formal object. That means it helps us understand reality, what exists, and how we should understand it. Managers with a philosophical lens can see beyond surface problems and grasp deeper needs and opportunities. 2. Philosophy critiques scientific assumption. It questions what is often taken for granted. This is essential for innovation because innovation starts with questioning the old and imagining the new. 3. It provides epistemological, ontological, and axiological foundations. In simple terms, it gives you the tools to understand what we know, what we value, and what exists. This helps leaders create change that is not only practical but also deeply rooted in ethical reasoning. 4. Philosophy develops your capacity to create new theories and concepts. It gives education managers the intellectual courage to think differently and develop their own model of success. 5. Philosophy helps with wise decision making. While data and analysis are important, wisdom comes from the ability to reflect on long-term consequences and moral impacts. Innovation needs both intelligence and wisdom. Therefore, philosophy is not the opposite of innovation. It is fuel. When we innovate without a philosophical foundation, we risk becoming lost in the trends and forgetting our deeper mission. Part 3. Effective strategies for applying innovation in line with educational values. So, how can we apply innovation while staying true to educational values? Here are some effective strategies. 1. Identify key problems and challenges in the education system. Innovation must begin with a real need, not just a trend. 2. Conduct research and learn from exciting best practices. Don't reinvent the wheel. Study what works in other contexts, then adapt into your own. 2. Engage stakeholders, teachers, students, parents, policymakers, and more. Innovation will fail if only one side passes it forward. Everyone must feel involved and respect. 4. Develop the innovations in stages, starting with small prototypes or pilot projects. These allow flexibility and learning before full implementation. 5. Provide proper training and ongoing support. Innovations is not about new tools. It about new mindsets. Teachers and staff need to be guided and empowered. 6. evaluate continuously. Every innovation needs monitoring and reflections. What's working, what's not, what can be improved. By combining philosophical understanding with strategic thinking, innovation becomes sustainable and educational, not just trendy. Part 4. Key challenge in integrating philosophy with innovation. However, this ideal is not without obstacle. There are several major challenges in aligning philosophy with innovation. First, rigid curricula. Many education systems are structured in ways that leave little room for flexibility and philosophical reflection. Second, lack of time. Teachers are often overloaded with practical tasks, leaving no time to think about deeper values or experiment with innovation. Third, limited understanding. Not all educators are familiar with educational philosophy, and few receive proper training in it. Fourth, Western secular dominance in educational theory can overshadow local, spiritual, or Islamic values. This can create a disconnect between management practice and moral purpose. Fifth, a diverse socio-cultural context. What works in one region may not work in another. Innovation must be sensitive to local values and needs. This challenge reminds us that innovation is not just about tools and technology. Is it about mindset, values, and culture? That's where philosophy must take its place and the center. Conclusion. In conclusion, let me say this: philosophy without innovation is idealism without progress. Innovation without philosophy is progress without purpose. As future educational leaders, we must walk with good feet. One foot grounded in values, ethics, and deep thinking, and the other stepping forward with courage, creativity, and innovation. Our job is not just to manage education. It is to lead with vision, act with integrity, and inspire meaningful change in our institutional and communities. Thank you for very much for your attention. May this reflection help us become better educators, better managers, and better human beings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.